Hello everyone, welcome to Manufactory Insights. Many of you know me from my previous YouTube journey where I shared videos on manufacturing planning and SAP PPDS. I truly appreciate everyone who supported me over the years. Today, I have an exciting announcement. After receiving numerous requests from consultants, professionals, and students, I have decided to start online SAP PPDS training sessions. The training is based on my years of implementation and support experience across different projects. My objective is to help participants understand practical concepts, real world business scenarios, and the knowledge required to work confidently in project. At this time, I won't be discussing the detailed training content or syllabus in this video. If you are interested in joining, please contact me directly. I will be happy to share the complete training details, batch schedule, duration, prerequisites, and answer any questions you may have. You can reach me using the contact details shown on the screen. If you are looking to build your career, enhance your existing knowledge, or gain practical implementation insights, I would be happy to have you join the training. Thank you for your continued support. Please subscribe to Manufacturing Insights for further updates. And I look forward to connecting with you soon. Thank you and have a great day.